Thank you for watching Quick and Easy Meals, the Keto series. We hope to provide you with ideas for keto meals that you can make at home. There are a lot of health benefits to keto other than just losing weight and controlling your A1C. So if you want to eat healthy, you're probably going to have to start making these meals at home since there are no keto restaurants that I know of. So stay tuned and let's get started making keto meals. I hope you enjoy the series. Welcome to the Keto series, and today we're going to do another keto meal. This meal is called Keto Creamy Chicken Thighs with mushroom sauce and broccoli. Let's go over the ingredients. We'll start off with some olive oil, Parmesan cheese, fresh parsley, heavy cream, fresh garlic, garlic powder, ground paprika, thyme leaves, sliced mushrooms, and we're going to use chicken thighs, or you can use chicken breast. And so let's get started. So we cut up the thighs in bite-sized pieces like so, and we didn't introduce the broccoli or whatever side dish you're going to use because it's not going to be mixed together. It's on the side, so we'll put that on the side. We also will probably mix in some peppers. I just kind of thought about that when we saute the mushrooms. So for now, make sure you cut up your thighs in bite-sized pieces and get those all in a bowl, and we'll mix in the ingredients. Next, we'll mix our ingredients into the chicken and let it marinate for 30 minutes at least or longer for better flavor. So we'll do a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of thyme. I'm not going to really measure it. Just do it how you want, a teaspoon, or just put it in to your liking. I kind of know about how much I want. We'll put in some thyme. That was ground paprika. Now we'll put in some thyme. We'll just get that all in there and make sure that's all mixed in. Then we'll do some garlic powder, about a teaspoon of that. And I kind of usually go a little heavier on the garlic. It's hard to get a good garlic flavor. And we'll get this all stirred up. Then we'll prepare to, we'll let this marinate for 30 minutes or longer. Now that our chicken has marinated for a little over an hour, we're going to use the Instapot and brown the chicken. So we'll pour in a little olive oil. We'll pour it in our marinated chicken and let it brown a little bit. And it doesn't have to be used in an Instapot. I just felt like it was better to use an Instapot. So we'll brown this off and then we'll start to work on the creamy sauce. Now that the chicken is fully cooked, we're going to put it in a separate dish and work on the sauce. So we'll separate the chicken and put it to the side for now, work on the sauce, and then reintroduce the chicken. Next, we'll add a little, you might not want to, but I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil. Before I add in the sliced mushrooms, we're going to saute these for about 3 minutes or so. Then we're gonna add in our peppers that we sliced up. You don't have to, just kind of thought of that in the midst of the work, the process. Next, we'll mix in our garlic, fresh garlic. Get that all stirred up in there. So we mixed in the garlic for about a minute. Then we'll mix in the peppers for a couple minutes till they soften up. And then we'll pour in the heavy cream. And then we'll mix in the cheese. So one step at a time. Let this cook for about 2 minutes. Then we'll pour in the heavy cream for about 8 minutes. Now that we got the peppers softened up, we'll pour in the heavy cream. About a cup of heavy cream. As we're making the gravy, we'll let that cook for a couple minutes, then we'll introduce the Parmesan cheese, kind of thicken it up, and then add the chicken back into it. Okay, now that the heavy cream is thickening up, as you can see, it's kind of getting a little thicker. We're gonna add in our Parmesan cheese a little at a time. We're gonna put in about a third cup of cheese, thicken it up a little bit, just for a few minutes before we add in the chicken back into the dish. And then what we'll do is, because we're using the Instapot, we'll put our basket in here with the broccoli and let that steam while the chicken reheats, and then you'll have everything done in one pot, one time, one plate. So we'll let that start to heat. We'll get ready to introduce the chicken, stir it up, let it cook for 2 or 3 minutes, enough to warm up the chicken, and steam the vegetables. So we'll add the chicken back in. We'll add in our basket of vegetables. One of the benefits to using the Instapot, we will sprinkle in some garlic salt. That'll get in there on the chicken as well. We'll put the lid on for about 2 minutes to steam it, and then we'll be done. And there you go, a couple minutes of steaming the vegetables. Probably want to add a little more Parmesan on there, or even on the vegetables. And maybe just make it a little more decorative, some parsley. And there you go, all cooked in one pot. Takes about 30 minutes, and chow time. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meals channel. Eat healthy, be healthy, stay healthy. Have a great week.